everybody.
I'm Zuri.
And I'm Chuck.
Welcome back to our channel. Hey everybody. I'm Zuri.
Wait.
Hey everybody. Wait, we forgot to say hey guys.
No, we're going to say hey everybody. I like everybody instead of guys.
Hey everybody. I'm Zuri.
And I'm Chuck.
Welcome to our channel.
So let me just tell you guys a little bit about our channel. So we are a mother-daughter duo that slays together. So a lot of y'all may know me from my other channel, which is Chuck Does It All, where I do a lot of nail tutorials and I show you guys, how I apply all my press-on nails and different nail techniques and styles. So if you know me from my other channel and you've come over here and subscribed to this channel as well, thank you so much. So this channel, I may include a little nail tutorial or two here and there, but I have my other channel for that. This channel is dedicated to mothers and daughters that, are looking to learn how to style their hair, and it's definitely going to be budget friendly. We're going to do a lot of little girl hairstyle tutorials. I love styling my daughter's hair in many different ways, from her natural hair to protective styles, little girl braids and twists and all type of things that I do on my daughter's hair, and I really want to share that with you guys. I did a little bit of that on my other channel, but everybody was just there for the nails, so I stopped doing it. But I love to style my daughter's hair, and I also do my own hair, so you guys will be getting a lot of hair tutorials on myself, from braids to weaves. I may throw in a little wig here and there, I'm definitely gonna be showing y'all how to get the hookup without blowing a bag, okay? Who trying to spend thousands of dollars? I mean, everybody trying to just hold it together during these days. So I definitely hold myself together. I keep my daughter together. My daughter is kind of a big deal, okay? My baby can sing, my baby can rap, my baby can dance, my baby can model, okay? If you want to see exactly what I'm talking about, make sure you guys follow her on Instagram at Jaslyn_Zuri. So Zuri is actually her middle name. Her first name is Jaslyn. And fun fact, my name is Jasmine. That is my actual name. But everybody calls me Choc. I mean, that's pretty obvious because look at this chocolate skin. But no, for real. So basically our channel is just going to be a lot of budget-friendly hair tutorials, fashion, fitness, beauty, vlogs. We're gonna do a lot of get ready with me's, and we just gonna have a lot of fun on this channel. So if you made it to this point of this video and you have not subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? Go ahead and subscribe. You are going to love it here. So since this is our first video, I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys how I did this hairstyle on my daughter. So let's just jump right on into the tutorial. Murray's Edge Wax is such a good product that really holds my daughter's hair, and yes, I am using that much product because my daughter's hair is really thick, as you can see. So basically I started this style off by sectioning off her hair into 4 sections, 2 sections in the front and 2 sections in the back. And now I'm using my detangling brush to really brush that edge wax through her hair and not just on top of her hair. And then I'm going to take a hair tie and put that section into a ponytail. And next I'm going to take a piece of hair from that ponytail and I'm going to use that black clip to just move the rest of the hair out of the way so I can work on that first piece. And I'm just applying a little bit more Murray's Edge Wax to that piece of her hair so that it blends in with the hair that I'm using really well and it will hold in place. So you're going to take a piece of your Rasta-free kinky hair, and everything that I'm using will be linked in the description of this video. Now pay close attention at how I am attaching the kinky hair to her natural hair, because if you blink, you might miss it. And once you have the hair attached on, you want to keep that twist tight. If you twist it loosely, your twist is going to come loose. So once you have it in motion, just keep it nice and tight, and you can add product as you are twisting down just to make sure everything stays nice and slick in the twist. And you just twist it all the way down to the ends. And I'm using this kinky hair because obviously my daughter has very kinky hair. I'm not using the regular braid hair because you'll be able to distinguish the braid hair from her natural hair, and I want this style to look natural, so I have to use the kinky hair to match the texture of her natural hair. And boom, doesn't it look like that hair is coming right out of her scalp? That is exactly what we are going for every time. So in case you missed how I attached the hair to her natural hair the first time, I'm going to do it one more time so you guys pay really close attention. It's really simple. I'm basically splitting her natural hair in two, and I'm placing the center of that piece of kinky hair right in the center of where her hair was split in two. And I just start twisting her natural hair with the braid hair. And that's how you get that seamless, natural look. Now, don't that look so natural? So that's the secret right there. If you're going to be doing a style and you're adding hair into it, you have to make sure the hair that you're adding in matches the natural hair texture in order to get that natural look. So now I'm on the front of her hair. She wanted space buns in the front, so we are doing buns. That's why I'm only doing one twist in the front. And I'm doing the same thing in the front that I did in the back as far as attaching the braid hair. And then I just wrapped that twist around and secured it with a rubber band. And I'm not wrapping the rubber band tight. I'm literally just placing it around where I twisted the end of that piece of hair to secure it. And now we are just going to add some bollies, because what is a little girl hairstyle without bollies? Okay. Swing, girl. Turn around. Let me see the back. Surprise! Now it's time for me to get my hair together so I can stop looking crazy. And let me just say, 9 times out of 10, your hair is not nappy, it's just dry. I've been wearing my hair in a bun for a couple days, and I'm not even talking about a bun that was, fixed nicely. It's literally just been in a bun, and I've been going to work with a hat on for the past 3 days. So now it's time to bring this hair back to life. So I sprayed it down with some water, and I'm using my detangling brush to brush that water through to bring the moisture back into my hair. But do y'all see how the texture of my hair is changing as I am wetting it and adding moisture to it? So like I said, 9 times out of 10, your hair ain't nappy. You just need to bring moisture back into your hair. So now that I have it all brushed through, I love me a middle part bust down. So we are just parting it in the middle. And then I'm just using that wide tooth comb to kind of further detangle my hair. And yes, I am using the black gel, the protein gel, Pro Style, but this one I got from Dollar Tree, but it's literally the same thing as Pro Style. Now, I know a lot of people be like, that black gel make your hair fall out. No, it does not, sweetheart. It is protein styling gel. The only way your hair will fall out from using this gel is if you have it caked up on your hair and try to brush it without wetting it. Then, of course, your hair is going to fall out because you brushing dry, gelled up hair. So you have to wet your hair and then apply the gel, and then to get that gel out of your hair, you have to wet your hair and brush it out as well. So that's definitely a myth about the black gel. It does not make your hair fall out. I still use it to this day because it be having my ponytails nice and slick. And then I'm also going to apply some Murray's Edge wax because I don't want my hair to be hard. I just want it to be nice and slick. So I use the gel to slick it up, and then I use the edge wax to lay it down and silk it out so I have a nice slick ponytail. And then I switched to my hard brush just to slick it down even more because I do not want a hair out of place. So I put all my natural hair into a bun, and I am going to be using this kinky curly human hair that I got on Amazon to create a messy bun. And once again, like I did with my daughter's hair, if you are going to be adding hair in, you have to add hair in that matches your natural hair texture if you're trying to give natural. And this hair will also be linked in the description of this video for those that would like to purchase. If it matches your hair texture or if you just like it, I'll make sure I put the Amazon link in the description of this video. So all I did was wrap one bundle of hair around my bun, and then I used a hair tie to secure it, and then I left a few curls out so that it gives that messy bun look. And then I'm using the spray bottle with water to spray those curls down, and you can't tell me it ain't looking like my natural hair, okay? And now we just gonna slick our edges up a little bit. I don't do too much with my baby hairs these days. I don't be doing the little swoop-de-doops. However, I do a little swirl. That's just enough for me, okay? I don't do all the swooping and, you know, having the little C curves and all of that on my forehead. I just do me a little swirl on the side, pull a little sideburn out, swirl it up, and we cute. And y'all can't tell me it don't look like I grew all of this hair out of my scalp. I'm telling you, if you find the right hair texture that matches your natural hair, it's gonna look like it grew out of your head every time. So then I tied it down until we got ready to go. Okay, y'all, we ready for the day. Hair is laid, baby is slayed, and we finna go to Target.
Let's go.
How cute is this yellow romper? Let me see, Mom. Come here.
Kind of big.
So cute on you. We definitely getting that. Now let me show y'all how to piece something up real quick. So, you see the yellow romper. Now look at this cute hat, right? And it has the purse to match. And just like that, that's a cute outfit all together. All we need is some sandals, and baby gonna be cute.
What I found.
She love her some Stitch. And they got all the real cute graphic tees in here, and I think they're only like $10 or something. Let me see what the price is. Oh, they're actually $8.99. So yeah, $8.99. All the graphic tees.
They have Barbie, they have Wish, They have everything.
I love how they have this whole Disney section in Target.
Whoa.
You got all the Toy Story stuff,
Toy Story.
all the plushies.
Look over here, guys.
Look at all the princess dresses.
It's Finding Nemo and Dory. It's even the guy from
This
the
is so
movie.
cute.
It's Moana. This is so cute. This is so many. Oh my gosh! Look, guys.
Princess Tiana, that is so beautiful.
I should be Princess Diana.
For what, Halloween? Or for your birthday? Because
For
it's
my
coming up
birthday.
in July.
For my birthday.
Somebody about to be 7.
It's me.
And we are taking her to Disneyland. She has never been before, so it's going to be her first time. So, of course, we got to get her a princess dress.
They even have the Princess Diana shoes and jewelry and stuff. Dang, Mom, that line is long, Mama. We're going to be waiting in here for an hour.
Goodness.
You're going to get your cafe and your frappuccino.
I sure am. And is.
And is.
Exactly.
And she did.
And
And
I am going to get my frappuccino. What are you going to get?
I'm going to get the strawberries and cream.
Okay. See, the line is moving. It ain't that long.
K-pop.
That's cute. And look, they got a bullseye cake pop. I like that window. We're just waiting for her drink. There you go. Okay. So I got a white chocolate mocha frap.
I got a strawberry and cream drink.
And we're just about to have
The leg by
some lunch. She got the bacon cheddar egg bites. I got the spinach and egg white bites. 'Cause I'm trying to be a little healthy. Cheers to our first video and vlog. Thank you guys so much for watching. And if you enjoyed it, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Give us a like and drop a comment and let us know how you enjoyed our video. Thank you guys so much for watching. We'll see y'all in the next one. Bye.